Hello guys, today I will show you how to make chocolate peanut butter. So let's start. First of all, roast some peanuts. Then blend it up. You can see the results. It will be full of moist because of the peanut oil. Then add some powdered milk. Then add some sugar according to your taste. Then add some cocoa powder. Then add some butter as necessary. Now it's all done. It is so much tasty and so much nutritious. You should try it at your home. Okay, bye. Always do something.
Inside